captains. Anybody? Andrew,
Yes, get over here.
you're on that.
My bad.
Okay. All right. Let's decide who goes first. I don't have a coin, so let's use a sword.
Okay.
Wherever the sword points to, it's like spin the bottle. That's Justin! All right. Now, do you want to go first or second for emotional recall?
We'll go first.
You go first? All right. So, emotional recall, preparing towns for hurricane. Preparing a town for hurricane. In a 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. So, I got water. I got Fruit Loops. And I got paper dolls. You boarded up the windows?